Is it permissible to refuse to give testimony or answer no comments as people do nowadays, like in legal or police matters or other?
If your testimony is not harmful to you and it's very essential for the other person, it's haram to hide it. Again, if the testimony is not harmful to you and it's going to harm the person, definitely if you don't do the testimony, or there will be some injustice taking place, it's haram to hide it. But if there will be injustice taking place, if you don't really give your testimony, yet you know that there will be a definite harm onto you, okay, then you're allowed to decline. But still, you could, for example, if you are able, in other way, to pass the testimony, but not directly from you. Like, for example, a leaked testimony, because the necessity here comes in place, and you want to protect yourself and your family.